Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get really glowing skin using a really matte foundation. So let's just get right into it. So first I'm going to use my NYX primer, the Shine Killer. So you want your base to be really matte, so I'm going to use this primer. You really want to make sure everything is really well in your skin, so make sure it's really patted down, and don't forget your lids because it always gets oily. And then I'm gonna use the Luminizer by L'Oreal. Do the same thing, just make sure it's really deep into your skin. I kind of wish I put a bit more just because it really kind of died down once I blended in my skin, but you'll see your skin will be glowing. So for my foundation, I'm going to use a L'Oreal and a Maybelline foundation. Of course, all the names will be down below in the description box if you want my color description and everything. So these are the two matte foundations I'm going to use today. So you really want to make sure you pat in your foundation. I'm just using a round brush to blend my foundation. Just make sure it's really well blended. So I decided to make my eyebrows off camera because you guys seen me do it 100 times, and I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal. So I'm using the same concealer I always use. If you want a bit more highlight, you can always use like a concealer that's a different color, but this one is pretty similar to my regular color. So I'm just going to use the same I always use, the Maybelline Fit Me, number 30. And then at first I used my brush, but then I was like, you know what, I need coverage, so I use my beauty blender. I always find when I use my beauty blender, like I have more coverage than when I use a brush, so that's why I'm using this one. So again, our foundation and everything, our skin is going to be really matte. And then I'm going to use my Fit Me powder and my Laura Mercier. I'm going to mix the two. And I'm going to put it under my eyes. Well, obviously I'm going to put it everywhere, to be honest, on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm just going to put it everywhere, just to make sure my base is really matte, because we don't want to be oily, but we want to be glowy. So for after, I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit using the same bronzer I always use by Anastasia. Just a little bit, I'm not going to put too much, just to bring back a bit of color to my face. And then for my nose, I'm just gonna go like this, and the tip of my nose. I don't really contour my nose, that's all I do really. Then I'm just gonna finish the eyes, so I'm not really doing anything to the eyes because we really concentrate everything on the skin. So I'm just gonna use my Makeup Forever mascara. I'm using the Too Faced mascara for the first time, so you guys are gonna see I really liked it. It's really lengthening. I know I mixed the two, but today I actually used the Too Faced by itself, and it's really nice. It's really nice, I have to say. Look at it, look at this. And then I'm going to use the same one for my bottom lashes. And yeah, and right here I was just contemplating my lashes and I really liked it, so yeah. And then for my lips, you can do whatever lips you want, just the lips I wanted to do for today. So I have my brown liner by Rimmel, and I'm using Sepia by Anastasia liquid lipstick. Want to blend it in. I don't know why it looks so pink on me, but it's actually kind of grayish. That's why I wasn't sure about the color, but that will do. And then for the glowy part, I use my Maybelline highlight in number 100 molten gold. So you want to do your cheeks, you want to do your nose, you want to do your chin, you want to do your forehead, everywhere the light is just gonna hit your face, basically. And then I'm gonna use a second highlighter, my Anastasia by with Amrezy collaboration, and I'll put it on top of my Maybelline to make sure your skin is really glowing. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyebrows in the corner with a smaller brush just to concentrate the highlight even better. And so now I go also on my cheeks, just the highest point, just to make sure everything is like blinding. And it's gonna set your face. You can set it with anything you want. If you want a setting spray that's more glowy, you can always go with that. I went with my Urban Decay because it really sets my face, but it's still glowy. So what I do after, I add a little bit more highlight, and that's how you get your blinding, glowing skin with a matte foundation. So I'll see you next time, guys. Just make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye!